Guys, I'm making another video. I'm gonna be showing you my dog. Hey Tyson. Back up, boy. Alright, this is my dog. His name is Tyson. Hey buddy. Hey. Sit down. Sit. No, not that. Sit. Shake. Good boy. No, down. I need to take my backyard and ew, Tyson, stop. Okay. And this is all the stuff I have. Hey, sit. Shake. Out, no. Alright. This is gonna be a short video because I don't have that much time. I have to go to a baseball game. I had other dogs, but they kind of passed away. Drink water. Drink some water. Sit. Chug. Really, nigga? Got it. Hey,